Yo, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Australia. I'm just rolling this primer on the wall. If you hear a little baby crying, well, that's what's happening. Little boy's been put to bed, but he doesn't want to sleep. His mum is getting tiles for me that have been left down at the end of the drive, and the little boy doesn't want to sleep. If you hear him crying, that's what it is. I can't stipulate this enough. You always prime your walls before you're waterproof. I'm having VJ board from 1200 up, but I still prime the walls because you know you've got glues and everything that you're wanting to stick the VJ board to. Well, this could be dusty and that sort of thing. You always prime, whatever you do. I'll come back to you in a minute. See how there's a little bit of dust in there, but you put that in there and yep, all hunky-dory. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Bye. It's been all stripped out. I stripped it out Monday. Tuesday, I was resheeting the shower. It was a shocker. It's been bodgy bobbed up. I've put in 2 niches, one for the soaps, one for the girls to shave their legs. I'm just in the process of running some silicone around the bottom because I'll be waterproofing out here. Out here I'll be going up, oh, I don't know, that high, 1200. So if there's any splash from the bath, it'll keep the walls dry. They have got young kids. We all, you know, we all know how we used to splash around in the bath a bit. I might as well do across there too. I hope that you are able to learn something. I hope I can teach you something. I come out every day. I'm hoping you'll pick something up that you're able to work with and use on your own place. If you're a DIYer, that's just smoothing that out. I'm rolling on the sealer primer. That's always a must. When I was stripping out that shower base there was no sealer primer, And the waterproof, well, I just peeled it up and I just pulled it up in sheets. So it was, you know, I got it right back to the cement sheet, easy peasy. So, which was good for me, but bad for the previous owner. Okay, that looks all pretty good. See, I don't know why, but that's still dusty. Whenever it was tiled years ago, 10 years ago, it's still got dust on it. So how does glue, look at that, see it on my fingers? How does dust stick to that? Don't know. Anyway, let's move on. If I can teach you, please let me know what you'd like to, what you'd like me to comment on. Let me know you're watching, and anything that I can help you with, just let me know. What your question is, and I'll answer it straight away. If you would, give us a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and the bell. Boop. Yeah, you can buy all your fancy glues that are good for this and good for that, but if you haven't sealed your walls, you might as well just stick your tiles up with flour and water, because nothing, no matter how good your glue is, nothing sticks to dust. So for all you DIYers, please, if I can teach you anything, please prime your walls before you do anything. I'm going to be waterproofing up to here. Bondcrete and water is another good primer sealer, but I buy this, God, it's only like $50 for 5 litres. It goes so far. It's not dear at all, but people don't use it. It's a no-brainer. Even though I'm putting VJ board up there, I'm going to be using wall adhesive. 12 bags of mud, that's what I need for this floor. I'm going to be using wall adhesive for my VJ board. Well, if my walls are primed, I'm not trying to stick the VJ board up there on dust. If I'm teaching you people anything, please do this before you tile. Or waterproof. With my floor, tomorrow I'll be wet bedding, like screeding and putting my tiles down at the same time. Everything will run off that waste, all my lines. It goes from nothing to about 30 mil. This floor is 30 mil out of level. I don't know why. Whether it's sunk or it was just